Good morning, dear students. I, Vijayalakshmi, your teacher of English, welcome you to Lecture 2 of Chapter 2 Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom from the book First Flight. Now we are going to read the rest part of the chapter. As I told you in Lecture 1, that this is an autobiography by Nelson Mandela, and how he is remembering the very important day of his life. That was the day when he took pledge as the first president of South Africa. So come on, let's continue with lecture 2. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Zinani. On the podium, Mr. D. Clark was first sworn in as second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the Constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the Republic and its people. Now, dear students, who is I here? Here I is Nelson Mandela, and he recalls that on 10 May 1994, on the inauguration ceremony, he was accompanied by his daughter Zinani. The three other people who were sworn in were Mr. D. Clark as the second deputy president, Thabo Mbeki as the first deputy president, and Nelson Mandela as the president of South Africa. So he is describing that day, and he also says that when I pledged, what I sworn in, he says that I pledged to obey and uphold the Constitution and devote myself to the well-being of Republic and its people. He says that I also pledged to liberate all my people from the continuity of poverty, from the bondage of poverty, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. So we came to know in this paragraph that how courageous and patriotic Nelson Mandela was. Now let's talk about the strange words and their meanings. Like deputy means second in command, sworn, given under oath, or determined to stay in the role specified. Pledged is committed, a person or organization by a solemn promise. Now I hope this is clear to you, and now I am assigning you some questions that you are to find out, like who accompanied Mandela for the inauguration, which three people were sworn in, what did Mandela pledge when he was sworn in. So you are to find out the answers of these questions, and the next one is you are also to find and write character sketch of Nelson Mandela. Now I hope lecture 2 is clear to you, and we'll meet soon in lecture 3. Thank you. Keep on reading, learning, and knowing the things which is very beneficial for you. At last, thank you, and stay home, stay safe.